let's take it a bit further. Now we saw that the area of triangle is half into base into height, isn't it? So guys, what we do is I take two parallel lines, okay, and we know that the distance between the two parallel lines is always equal, right? So we call it as h, or the height in this case, okay. And now between these two lines, I construct two triangles, triangle ABC and triangle DEF, okay. If you will observe, guys, for these two triangles, okay, they are lying between the same two parallel lines. Matlab ki for these two triangles, the height is exactly same, right? Height basically hota kya hai? The distance of the lowest, okay, the base to the topmost point. That is the height of the triangle, right? So in both the cases, guys, the height is actually same. Okay, so we here we can say that अगर मैंने suppose area of triangle ABC लिखा, for triangle ABC, guys, area क्या हो जाएगा? Area of triangle ABC will be equal to half into the base will be AB into the height h. Okay, same way area of triangle DEF कितना हो जाएगा, guys? Area of triangle DEF will be half into the base DE multiplied by the height. Now, guys, when you divide these two equations, half cancelled, h cancel, you will get area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DEF is nothing but AB divided by DE. That is, whenever the height of two triangles is constant or equal, the area is proportional to the basis. So like as I told you in this case, area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle DEF is equal to AB divided by DE. As simple as that. Okay. अब guys, इसी की तरह दूसरा केस हम क्या ले सकते हैं? There are two triangles, okay, triangle ABC and triangle ABD as shown towards the right of the screen. Okay, now in these two cases, okay, the base is same, that is AB. In this case, whenever the base is same, remember the area is proportional to the height. Okay, and in this case, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DEF is nothing but the ratio of their heights, जो कि होगा CE upon DF. Okay, H1 height 1 upon height 2 in this case. Okay, so guys, remember in terms of area of triangle, okay, इसका direct application है ये part. Okay, for area is half into base into height. So when base is constant, area is proportional to the height, like in the second case. And whenever the height is constant, the area is proportional to the base, like in the first case. The problem with this concept is, guys, ये बहुत directly हमें दिया नहीं होगा questions में. We have to interpret from the question. यहाँ पे ये फंडा apply करना होगा, right? So we'll see a few examples and see how we apply this in questions. So please solve this one. The numbers denote the area within the closed boundary. Find the area denoted by the question mark. You can try it out once, and then we are going to discuss. Okay, guys, so we start by drawing a line, okay, and that line will be passing through D. Okay, so if I imagine I'm drawing a triangle ADB, okay, and I have a line AC over here, right? So I draw a red line. You can see the red line here passing through point D, and it is parallel to AC, right? Now, guys, if you observe carefully, DEC एक triangle दिखेगा आपको, और आपको DAE भी एक triangle दिखेगा, right? So these two triangles are lying between the same two parallel lines. Okay, that means their height is same. Whenever the height is same, we see that the area is proportional to the bases. So we can say that the ratio of the areas, area of triangle ADE divided by area of triangle CDE, will be the ratio of their bases AE divided by CE, right? Same way now, guys, I draw a line parallel to AC. Okay, I draw a line parallel to AC in this case, passing through point B. Okay, and that is giving me that area of triangle ABE divided by area of triangle CBE will be AE upon EC, same, right? Because again, the two triangles ABE and the triangle CBE, okay, these two triangles, okay, ABE is this triangle here, okay, and CBE is this triangle here. For both the triangles, guys, the height is same because they're lying between the two parallel lines AC and this one. So again, area is proportional to the bases. Okay, we just plug in the values here and we can directly find the value of the unknown area of triangle CB, जो हमको find करना है. Right, so we cross multiply, or you can observe that 24 6 होता है 144 here in this case. So 36 का 6 कितना हो जाएगा? 216. That is the required answer for area of triangle CBE. Okay, let's solve one more. AD is to DB is equal to 3 is to 2. If AC is parallel to DE and area of triangle ADE is 24 centimeter square, find area of triangle ABC. Okay, guys, so how do we go about solving this? You can just take a break, you can try it out, and then we can continue to look at the solution. All right, so guys, we first start by drawing a line parallel to AB and passing through point E. You can see the blue line over here. Okay, the line, okay, which is parallel to AB and passing through E. So guys, I have two triangles here, triangle ADE, this triangle. Okay, I'm highlighting it here, this triangle, and I have triangle BD, this triangle, right? So these two triangles, you can say, guys, they are lying between the same two parallel lines. Okay, AB and the parallel line that is blue, right? So these two triangles, okay, will have the area proportional to their bases. So I will say BDE and ADE have the same height, so the area is proportional to the base, right? So area of triangle ADE divided by area of triangle BDE is nothing but the ratio of their bases, जो कि है AD and BD, right? Okay, this gives us area of triangle BDE, which is 16 units square. Okay, now guys, taking it to like next step further. Okay, if you observe, DE is given parallel to AC, right? That means if I take transversal AB here, okay, AB is this transversal over here, okay, then angle BDE will be equal to angle BAC, right? You can see it here, they are corresponding angles. Okay, we saw this in the very first class of geometry, the corresponding angles of parallel lines. So these two angles will be equal. Okay, and also B is the common angle, right? So I can spot two similar triangles, guys. एक similar triangle ये होगा BDE, which will be similar to BAC, the bigger triangle, right? So triangle BDE will be similar to triangle BAC by the AA test. And we know for similar triangles, the ratio of the areas is square of the ratio of their sides. So area of triangle BDE upon BAC क्या हो जाएगा? BD upon BA the whole square. That is nothing but 2 by 5 the whole square. And we found area of triangle BDE from the previous data is 16. Plug in the values, you get the answer for area of triangle ABC, which is 100 units square. As simple as that. Okay. Now here we have seen that when we studied medians, okay, I am drawing AD, BE, and CF. They are the medians in this case, right? Okay, and we basically saw that D is the midpoint, F is the midpoint, and E is the midpoint. They meet at a point G. It's called as a centroid. Okay, centroid trisects the median. We'll study that also, and we'll prove it actually right now why the centroid trisects the median. Okay, now just observe, guys. I'm drawing a line parallel to BC passing through A, right? Now observe carefully, guys. I talk about triangle ABD and I talk about triangle ADC. Okay, since ABD, this triangle here, and triangle ADC, this triangle here, these two are lying between the same two parallel lines, meaning the height same hai. That means the area will be proportional to the base. So area of triangle ABD upon area of triangle ADC will be BD divided by DC, the ratio of their bases, right? Okay, but if you observe carefully, D is the midpoint, right? Matlab BD is equal to DC. That means the two areas are equal, right? That means the median divides the triangle into two equal halves. So AD agar median consider kiya humne, area of ABD will be equal to area of triangle ADC. Similarly, area of BCE, okay, agar humne BE ko median consider kiya, guys, area of triangle BCE, this one is same as ABE, this one, or BAE, this one. And if you consider CF as the median, then area of triangle CBF, this triangle, is same as the area of triangle CFA or CAF, right? So the median divides the triangle into areas which are basically half, okay, or basically equal to each other, okay. Median के about अगर आपने break किया, the triangle will possess equal areas. Now understand, guys, I'm talking only about the areas being numerically equal. Okay, the triangles can be congruent, they cannot be congruent. Okay, congruent तब होंगे अगर आपने equilateral triangle लिया होगा या फिर आपने isosceles triangle के base पे perpendicular drop किया होगा. That those two will be equal. Okay, but in general you can only say about the area numerically. Okay, now guys, I drop a line parallel to BC from the point G. Okay, when I do that, I observe the same thing for triangle BGD. Okay, I observe the same thing for triangle BGD and triangle GDC, right? These two triangles also have the same area. Okay, because their heights are same and bases are also same, right? I call these two areas as A. Okay, BDG and CDG, I call the areas as B, and for CEG and AEG, I call the areas as C. Okay, so all these small triangles, you know, formed by the intersection of the medians. Okay, they are, you know, pairwise equal. So A is equal to A, B is equal to B, C is equal to C. We saw it here, right? Okay, so now we go on further. Right now, what we do is we just use that we just use the data that area of triangle ABD is same as area of triangle ADC. We proved that, right? हमने एक line ऊपर एक parallel draw किया था BC से, and we proved ABD, this area, was equal to ADC, this area, right? Okay, so what is the area of ABD, guys? You can observe it is A plus B, right? On the left hand side, you can observe it's A plus B. Also, you can observe A plus C plus B as the area of triangle ADC, right? Okay, when you equate these two, B gets cancelled out. You have 2A equals to 2C, or A is equal to C. So I can replace C with A, as simple as that. Similarly, you can consider two triangles, right? Triangle BCE, guys, and triangle BAE. Okay, BCE, guys, ab kya ho jayega? This part, right? BCE is this triangle, right? And BAE is this triangle, right? Okay, so you can write B is equal to C from this, isn't it? Okay, this tells us what? Okay, the medians divide the triangle into 6 smaller parts, each having the small area, like the same area, sorry. Okay, so medians will divide this triangle or break this triangle into smaller parts, each part will have the same area, which is 1/6 of the total area of the triangle. Okay, taking it one step further, guys. Okay, what we do is we again take a line parallel to BE, suppose, and passing through point A. Let's consider triangle BGA. What is BGA ka area, guys? BGA ka area will be 2A, and AGE ka area, AG is the reddish, the yellowish blue triangle you can see over here flashing. Uska area kitna hoga? A hoga. Okay, for these two triangles, okay, the area is proportional to the base because they're lying between the same parallel line. Okay, so for AGB and AGE, the ratio of the areas is same as the ratio of the base, but ratio of area kya hai, guys? 2A upon A, 2 by A cancel. BG upon GE kya hota hai? 2:1, right? Same way you can prove, guys, that AG is to GD, AG is to GD will be also same as 2:1, ये भी 2:1 होगा, right? And you can also prove that CG is to GF. Okay, this area is 2A, this area also is A. So ratio of the areas is 2A is to A or 2:1, right? That tells you that G is a centroid of the triangle, and centroid basically trisects the median. Okay, so we understand the basic property 2:1 after reaching this level, right? But I hope it's very clear now. So centroid trisects the median. The proof is using the concept of areas. Okay, so this, so from a triangle ABC with sides of length 40 feet, 25 feet, and 35 feet, a triangular portion GBC is cut off where G is the centroid of triangle ABC. The area in square feet of the remaining portion of the triangle is. Okay, you can try it out again. Just pause the video. All right, guys. So what they are doing is they are cutting off the white region, right? What remains is the red part, which I have shown here highlighted, right? So हमें red region का area find करना है. Okay, how do we do that? From the complete area of the triangle, okay, we just remove GBC, right? Now, guys, we know that the medians will break the areas into like three parts, right? GBC will be 1/3 of the part. Okay, AGB will be 1/3 and AGC also is 1/3, right? So when you remove GBC from this, guys, you are removing 1/3 of the area. So the required answer is 2/3 of the area of ABC, right? तो हमें area of triangle ABC find करना है and उसका 2/3 कर देना है. Okay, the best way of doing this, आपको area of triangle ABC के sides दिए हुए हैं. You can use the Heron's formula. Okay, and by the Heron's formula, you find the semi-perimeter S as 40 plus 20 plus 35 upon 2, which is 50, and then put the formula में S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. You will get area of triangle ABC as square root of 3 multiplied by 250. Okay, this is the area of the entire triangle ABC. हमें क्या करना है? इसका 2/3 लेना है, right? So when you take 2/3, okay, root 3 gets cancelled out. The answer is 2 into 250, 500 divided by root 3. Okay, that is options B.